Hello, I'm Revmatic and I'm a Java developer, and I'm trying to help other junior Java developers to learn about programming. This course will be focused on OOP, which means Object-Oriented Programming, and I'll explain basics of OOP for Java language. I'll show it to you on this project, which we will in several parts try to program, so you can program it with me. This is the end result, so I'm gonna show you what the program does. So if I start it, don't worry that you don't understand anything here, I'll explain everything. My main goal is to explain everything to juniors, and since I once was a junior, I know that it's really hard to understand everything, and I'll explain it as a junior to juniors. Okay, so as you can see in the log, here are some fighters: Peter, John, one has, this is HP, this one has this HP, so it decreases. There are some logs that one Peter is attacking, John is attacking, and stuff like that. I'll explain everything later. At the end, somebody's out of HP and he's dead, and that's the end of the project. Okay, I hope you will like the project. Please open your IDE. You can find some tutorial about how to install IDE and JDK. So if there would be like any problems, you can ask in the comments how to do something. There's no problem if you have any questions. And I'll look forward in the lesson number 1, which I will upload later. Okay, so far, thank you, and see you later.